Leading 10.
The oceans are a beautiful and sometimes breathtaking body of water. Us humans tend to flock to them on a hot, sunny day. Some think of it as a home away from home and couldn't think of a better way to spend the day, while others spend their money and time taking vacations there. But have you ever thought just what kind of things could be lurking below you? That eerie feeling that you're not alone, wading through the waters, the vastness of darkness beneath you? What could be there? Am I safe? Could I be hurt? Well, with that said, today we'll be taking a look at the top 10 most dangerous sea creatures that come from the ocean. Number 10. The Great White Shark. The Great White Shark kinda gets a bad rap for being the monster of the ocean. As dangerous as it is, it's definitely not the most. Between 1958 and 2016, there were 2,785 confirmed, unprovoked shark attacks around the world, of which 439 were fatal. That means in 58 years, sharks have averaged about 48 attacks and 8 deaths per year. That said, is definitely an alpha hunter of the ocean, with really only one known predator, the killer whale. With an average weight of 1,500 to 2,500 pounds at full maturity, I don't know about you, but I think I'd rather not meet up with this guy during my scuba diving adventures. Number 9. The flower urchin is a widespread and commonly encountered species of the sea urchin. It is considered highly dangerous as it is capable of delivering extremely painful and medically significant stings when touched. Contrary to what one might think, the poison is not from the spines, but rather from the triangular-shaped arms. The arms have claws in them, which are able to inject a nasty mix of toxic chemicals after attached. There seems to be two major components to the poison. These can cause pain, transmissions on nerve endings, which cause paralysis, and causes contractions of smooth muscles. They say if you are scuba diving around a reef, it is better just to avoid touching anything at all. The flower urchin is a good example why. Number 8. Barracuda. Exceptionally large specimens can exceed 5 feet and weigh over 51 pounds. They are snake-like in appearance with prominent, sharp-edged, fang-like teeth of all different sizes. They have large, prominent heads with an underbite. They are naturally aggressive species of fish, and even been known to strike at humans. Like sharks, some species of barracuda are reported to be dangerous to swimmers. Barracudas are scavengers and may mistake a snorkeler or scuba diver for a large predator, following them in hopes to eat the remains of their prey. If their aggressiveness isn't bad enough, it's advised not to eat them either, because they accumulate a naturally occurring toxin that can cause nausea, pain, cardiac, or neurological symptoms in humans when digested. Number 7. Stonefish are venomous, dangerous, and even fatal to humans. It is one of the most venomous fish known to man. They have a potent neurotoxin secreted from glands at the base of their needle-like dorsal fin, which sticks up when disturbed or threatened. Most stings often occur when stepped on by an unaware passerby, but they can also occur on the beach, since stonefish can survive out of the water for up to 24 hours. They often cannot be easily seen as they look similar to rocks or coral. Not much is else to say about this guy, besides watch your feet when visiting the beach and avoid picking up rocks. Number 6. The saltwater crocodile has been named the most dangerous and aggressive of all their species. It is the largest living reptile in the world and has been known to attack lions, sharks, water buffalo, and basically anything that gets close enough for it to pounce on. What makes them so dangerous is that they are ambush predators. Jumping out at prey with lightning speed makes it hard for any animal to escape them. Once the crocodile catches its prey, it is nearly impossible to escape the deadly impact of its powerful, locking jaws. The saltwater crocodile is the most dangerous in the water. After locking its jaws on its prey, it will usually try to drown its victim by dragging and rolling it underwater. No poisons or toxin needed for this brute. He's all fangs and muscles. Number 5. Blue-ringed octopuses spend much of their time hiding in crevices while displaying effective camouflage patterns. If they are provoked, they quickly change color, becoming bright yellow with each of the 50 to 60 rings flashing bright, iridescent blue within a third of a second as a warning display. Despite its small size, the octopus carries enough venom to kill 26 adult humans within minutes. Their bites are tiny and often painless, with many victims not realizing they have been envenomated until respiratory depression. No blue-ringed octopus antivenom is known, so you would be pretty screwed if you didn't notice it. The good thing is the octopus isn't aggressive and will not go looking to kill people, so just be careful and don't touch. A reoccurring theme, it seems, in this top 10 list. Number 4. Textile cone snails have one of the most powerful poisons in nature. It's designed to paralyze fish almost instantly. Cone snails use a harpoon-like structure for catching its prey. Each of these harpoons is a modified tooth, primarily made of chitin, and it forms inside the mouth of the snail. The harpoon is hollow and barbed and is attached to the tip of the snail's throat. The cone snails most dangerous to humans are the larger cones, which prey on small bottom-dwelling fish, while the smaller species mostly hunt and eat marine worms. Because all cone snails are venomous and capable of stinging humans, live ones should never be handled, as their venomous sting will occur without warning and can be fatal. Number 3. The tiger shark is another of the most dangerous fish in the sea. After the great white, they are the second most likely shark to attack a human. However, unlike the great white shark, the tiger shark is more likely to continue attacking a human rather than swimming away. It's known for eating almost everything, and they will attack any moving creature nearby. The tiger shark often grows from 10 to 14 feet in length and can weigh as much as 1,400 pounds. It is a powerful swimmer and an indiscriminate scavenger. It has the typical increased smell that is common in many sharks, and it can also see very well. If you were to ever cross a tiger shark in the water with nothing to defend yourself with, it would probably mean, at the very least, you're losing a limb. Yikes. Number 2. The blue dragon sea slug floats upside down by using the surface tension of the water to stay up, where they are carried along by the winds and ocean currents. The sea slug is camouflaged. The blue side of their body faces upwards, blending in with the blue of the water, and the silver-gray side of the slug faces downwards, blending in with the silvery surface of the sea. Humans handling the slug may receive a very painful and potentially dangerous sting. The slug itself isn't venomous at all. Rather, it stores the stinging nematocysts created by the creatures of which it feeds on, including the venomous Portuguese man-o'-wars. These cells are stored and concentrated, so when it's touched, the blue dragon can release these stinging cells to pack an even more powerful punch than the man-o'-war itself. It is advised, if you find one of these on the beach, just to leave it alone. It's better off that way. Number 1. The box jellyfish are invertebrates, distinguished by their cube-shaped body. The species of jellyfish produce extremely potent venom. While not all box jellyfish have fatal venom, it's the big ones you have to watch out for. The larger species are so venomous it could kill you within 2 minutes if you have received contact of multiple tentacles. Some 20 to 40 people die from stings by box jellyfish annually in the Philippines alone. And scientists believe worldwide fatalities from box jellyfish may be seriously underestimated. Well, that's it for our top 10 most dangerous sea creatures. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content.